First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent Roblox from connecting to game servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, open the Play Store and search for Roblox. If an update is available, install it. Using an outdated version of the app can cause connection issues. After that, clear the Roblox cache. Long press the Roblox app, tap App Info. Then go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. If the error still appears, restart your phone and try again. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. You should also check whether Roblox servers are experiencing problems. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until Roblox fixes the issue. Finally, if nothing works, log out of Roblox and sign back in to refresh your account connection. Try these fixes one by one, and the unable to join experience error should be resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.